Here we are at 2562 Joust Drive in Greenwood, Indiana. There are a ton of details and features I want to show you in this house. So with that, let's go inside and take a look. So here we are in this fabulously remodeled kitchen. I mean, you can see the detail that they put into the work, the detail in the wood here. These are high-end laminate countertops. Who doesn't love an island? And this one seats 4. There's 3 right now. You can probably throw a couple more stools down here at the end if you want. All the drawers are soft close. You can see here they have extra pull-out drawers, which is awesome. More storage drawers. I love drawers in a kitchen. So much more useful than cabinets and easier to get everything. Nice, beautiful backsplash here. Yeah, great kitchen. Does have a double oven at the end. A nice refrigerator with built-ins around the refrigerator. Crown molding around the top. Just a great space. So here we are in the family room adjacent to the kitchen in the back of the house. And I want to highlight this fireplace. So what we have here, this is an electric fireplace. It was previously a gas fireplace, but they converted it to electric, simply just for the efficiency of gas fireplaces are known to be very drafty. So they insulated behind it just so they didn't have that draft to put this in. So it could probably easily be converted back to gas if that's what you want. But as you can see here, let me turn this thing on. So it is electric. You can change colors. You can dim it. Different colors. It can put off heat if you want heat. In addition to that, so you just heat this one space if you're a little chilly in those cold winter nights, where you're watching a movie with the family. So here we are at the front door. I know front doors aren't something usually you highlight in a video, but this thing has a pretty cool little feature I want to show you. Check this out. So look at that. It comes a screen when it's warm and you want some fresh air. Otherwise you lift it up and you have your glass. So one really great feature, especially if it's something you're looking for in this house, is it does come with a installed chair lift. The chair is not currently installed, it's in a closet upstairs, but it can easily be put back on. It does grab all the way up the stairs to the second floor loft. If this is not something you want, this is something that can easily be taken up, just unbolt it and it's gone. So if you don't want it, don't let this be a deterrent. It comes off very easily, but if it's something you look for, you know how much these cost and how invaluable this is, it will stay with the house if you want it. are at the deck. This is definitely one of the best parts of the home. The homeowner here had the decking replaced when they moved in here with composite decking, so it should be maintenance free for many years to come. They added the pergola. As you can see, it's great, a great space. They have a fan underneath of it. There's electrical ran out there. There's LED lights that go all the way around that you're not going to be able to see in the photos or the video because it's daytime. They also have an awning up here above, a retractable awning that comes out over the patio door, so some additional shade or cover from rain if you need it. Also, I wanted to add while we're out here, the homeowners had this house completely re-sided since they've moved in here. This siding, it's vinyl siding, but this siding's much better than your typical vinyl siding. It is insulated, so it's not going to flap around in the wind like some of the others will, and also it adds added insulation. So here we are in the backyard. One thing I want to show you here real quick is check out, see if I can point it out here, but this pipe goes down all the way around down the yard. So what that does is when you purge your pool, that water isn't come spilling out in your yard. It actually comes out back in the drainage ditch in the back so that you don't have a yard full of water. So here we are at this awesome pool, and as you can see, it's got a automatic cover, which is super convenient. I believe the pool is 35 by 16. It is in-ground pool. It's 3 feet in the shallow end and it's about 6 feet at the deep end. But one of the things I want to show you here is this drain here. It actually is angled. It has a spout on there so that it sprays water out in the yard, and the homeowners say it's awesome because instead of having a hose and making a big puddle, it kind of sprays out and it doubles as watering their yard. So as you can see, this grass is super lush and green and beautiful, and a lot of it is thanks to this. It's super easy and convenient. And here we are at the shed. This homeowners, they poured in a concrete pad. Makes it super easy, convenient, and level for when you're putting in your lawnmower or whatever other equipment you're going to come in and out with here. There's additional storage up top, so you can store some extra belongings in there.